Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mike, and welcome to the Mike Garage YouTube page, where we'll do different DIY, how-to, and tool review videos. While you're here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get constant updates of the channel and video updates. Also, please don't forget to check out my Instagram, Fire Truck Mechanic, where I take you through what it's like to be a fire truck mechanic. I'll be posting different things such as obviously fire truck repair, and also things that are in the municipality such as dump trucks, street sweepers, police cars, anything you could think of that your city would have. I work on it. I post on my Instagram all the time. So please don't forget to check that out as well. The main reason I started this page was to show people who are in a different automotive field that there's more to automotive than just your normal dealership. There's so much more that I've learned about in the automotive field and all my experience I'd love to share with you guys. Also, I'd love to see your comments on what you guys have to say about what I'm working on as well. So please, again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, we'll see y'all on the next one.